what's up, y'all? Just about to get back on the road coming from Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. Wife wanted to check out the sauce covered bridge, something like that. Anyways, I'm about to go check it out. I guess I'll take y'all along and show y'all it since I'm right here. Got some news for y'all, so check this out. If you haven't watched my previous ScanGauge video, anyways, I recently picked this up, and so I can monitor a bunch of different gauges. So I got the DPS, EG3 temperatures, the suit load percentage, as well as the DEF fluid level. Now I'm going to change this. I'm actually going to see my transmission fluid temperature 170. There's my DEF quality 33. I think that's based off of the percentage of urea in the DEF. I'm just going to leave it on DEF level. Suit level is at 95%, so I anticipate I'm about to have a regen. So I figure I'll make a video, show y'all the numbers while I'm in a regen on my way home. I'm going to be driving 65, 73 miles per hour the entire time. It actually says time since last active regen, it was about 18 hours. And so I did not know the truck's regened before, but this is why I got the ScanGauge. So yeah. Give me a few seconds, get back on the road, and then I'll show you when I'm actually in regen on the way home. So pretty cool. About to go catch up with her. I'm sure there's some good fishing around here. Anyways, enough of that. Pretty cool bridge. Yeah. Let's see what the truck does during regen. So just been on the highway for about 30-45 minutes, done about 40 miles. Keeping track of the ScanGauge, it went from 1 to 3, and so right now it's on mission regen from what ScanGauge is telling me right now. It actually waited until it was 100% suit level on the ScanGauge for, I'm not sure what my wife is doing. She's doing something over weird. So it hit 100% suit level on that gauge, and then it immediately kicked into 3. It actually went straight down from 100% suit level to 66, so that's pretty weird. Also, the gauge that actually tracks time since last active regen went from 23 to 0, so obviously it reset. Let me go ahead and show you what the ScanGauge is telling me, but before that I want to show you if there's anything different of the truck as far as the vehicle info. So hopefully y'all can see what my screen is showing. Alright, but essentially 192, 168, 201, 46 for my oil PSI. Essentially everything looks normal. Let's go ahead and look at the fuel economy. Just looking at that the current fuel economy numbers. No change in the vehicle info, so you really wouldn't notice if it's in regen or not based off of what the computer would tell you on the EVIC. Here's what the ScanGauge, and I'm not sure if you can see that anyways, I'm going to hold it real close, but it says 3 DPS, which means it's in a mission regen, 1040 degrees for the EG3 temperatures, 61% suit load percentage, and 0 obviously for the TS. It's only been about 10 minutes, 991. It'll probably creep on higher, really, and then I'm at 41% suit level now. So just going to go ahead and continue to monitor it and actually see if there's any difference in the temperatures and also the suit level percentage. Recap of the regen. Finally stopped for some lunch. It was in 3, mission regen for 17 minutes. Now the crazy thing is that for 10 minutes after, it still decreased with the suit level percentage. All right, it decreased from 32 to 27 suit level percentage in the DPF. So I thought that was pretty interesting. Can you count that as regen? I guess you can, due to the fact that it's still decreasing the amount of suit in the DPF. All right, so total time was about 27 minutes. You cannot really tell that it's in regen. It didn't smell differently. I tried listening to something different in the engine speed, nothing changed. All right, so essentially, if you don't have a scan gauge, you could really not tell if it's in REGEN or not. I'll post the link in the description below. I think it's an awesome investment. You'll absolutely know when your truck's in REGEN, but you can actually tell before something is really about to break or happen, because most of the time these things break, parts break, because they get too hot. All right, and so you're able to track the temperatures for the different monitors. I'm actually going to post another video, so if you buy just a regular scan gauge, I'm going to show you how to program every gauge that you want to actually track for your truck. All right, so it worked perfectly fine with mine. I bought mine through the link, and I can actually show you how to program and actually check out those gauges. So I just got back, but something I wanted to share with y'all was that on the way up, and I did a 400-mile trip and then 400-mile back, so 800 miles round trip. On the way up, I went from 54% suit load percentage to 84%. But on the way down, I ended up, after the REGEN, I went from 27 to 36. But within the last, between those 300 miles, it went from 36, but it dropped down to 34 suit level percentage in my DPF. So just something I wanted to put out. I thought it was pretty weird, but just something to share with y'all. Just due to the fact that, you know, it just doesn't constantly go up. It drops down. I guess it's somewhat inconsistent of the way the scan gauge could read, or the ECM, whichever. But there are some variables. So if y'all have any questions, go ahead and let me know. Comment below. If you like this, go ahead and push that like button. Also, if you're not a subscriber to my page, please subscribe and support my channel. I'm definitely going to be posting much more videos. Ciao, ciao.